Welcome back. So it's a bit of a quieter morning for the Nifty because the markets are now looking at an extended sell-off, 250 points lower. We'll get you more on that in a bit, but let's figure out what's happening in the world of global commodities. Have they managed to catch their breath after the whirlwind Trump victory and the Trump trade starting? We've got Manisha with the latest. Manisha, what is catching your attention?
Well, there's no time to settle down, really, because yesterday we've seen the presidential elections. Today is the Fed meeting, and tomorrow is the China stimulus measures announcement. So this week is going to be like that. But you know what? We have seen a very sharp cut come across into the markets there. The dollar index is trading at a 3-month highs. We've seen it put a biggest one-day gain since March 2003. And what the markets really are looking at right now is the fact that the Trump presidency perhaps will bring forth expectations of fiscal spending. That would mean tax cuts as well, is something that he's talked about. And then the street view right now is that the new tariffs could lead to inflation and trade tensions, and that would perhaps slow down the pace of rate cuts as well. And that is the scenario, or that is the narrative that the street is working with right now. I'll start with metals, where we have seen very sharp declines in the overnight market there. Multi-week to multi-month lows is how we're looking at many of these metal prices trading at. Some bit of a rebound in Asia coming in right now, as you can see on your screens, and this is ahead of the US Fed meeting and expectations of a China stimulus measure. But even with this kind of a gain, what we did see overnight into the markets was HRC steel falling to 8-week lows. You also saw the prices decline by 2.5% in the matter of last 1 month itself. Copper fell by 5% in the overnight markets. That one is trading at around 6-week lows there. We also are looking at zinc prices outperforming the declines on the lower side there. So a 6-week lows onto that. We've seen 5.5% of a cut come in for zinc prices in the overnight market. But in the Asian markets right now, there is some opportunity buying. What is not seeing opportunity buying at all is the precious metal prices, and very sharp cuts coming in for that. One, it was unwinding of safe haven positions because the US presidential election uncertainty is now out of the market. We saw silver prices decline by 5%. That one is trading at a 1-month lows right now. Silver prices recently hit a 12-year high of $35 an ounce in the international markets. That was on 22nd of October. We are trading at around 31 right now, with a threat of that being broken on the lower side as well. Take a look at the gold prices, and it has been a 3% of decline overnight into the markets. For gold, it was an all-time high of $27.90 an ounce. We are trading at $26.50 right now. So it has been $130 of a decline in last 2 trading sessions for this one. But it's going to be about the US Fed meeting today, and all eyes on that.
Okay, all right, Manisha, thank you very much for that.